In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain ownership using DNS records on Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a new website or connecting a third-party service, verifying your domain is essential for ensuring everything runs smoothly. We'll break it down into easy steps so you can follow along and complete the process with confidence. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. If you're already familiar with your dashboard, this step should be a breeze. However, if you're new, just head over to Hostinger's website and locate the login option, typically found in the upper right corner. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you'll be directed to your account overview page. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the domain portfolio section of your dashboard. This is where all of your registered domains are listed. Find the domain you wish to verify and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to a detailed view where you can make various changes needed for domain management. Next, head over to the DNS or name server section and click on Manage DNS Records. This area is crucial because it's where we'll be adding your new DNS record for verification purposes. Once you're in the DNS management area, locate the Add Record button and click on it. This part is essential as you need to ensure you're adding the correct type of record. From the Type drop-down menu, choose TXT. This type of record is typically used for verification and is what we'll need to confirm your domain ownership. Now, let's input the details provided by the service for verification. Starting with the name field for the main domain, you'll usually just enter the AH symbol. If this is for a subdomain, simply input the specific subdomain name. Moving on to the TXT value, this is equally important. You'll need to paste the specific value provided by the service. This string of characters is what verifies the ownership of your domain, so be sure to copy it accurately. For the TTL, which stands for time to live, you can leave it at the default setting. This is generally set to 14400 seconds or 4 hours. Unless specifically directed otherwise, sticking with the default is perfectly fine. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Add Record to save your changes. It's important to note that these DNS changes may take some time to propagate. This could be as quick as a few minutes or take up to 24 hours, depending on various factors. Be patient and give it some time before verifying whether the changes have taken effect. And there you have it. Your domain verification process on Hostinger is complete. By following these steps, you've ensured that your domain is properly linked for any required services or verifications. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.